In this video, I'll be sharing with you two fully funded scholarship opportunities that are currently open in two different countries for application for the academic section 2024-2025 to all international
Hi,
students.
my name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and
The
friends.
first scholarship opportunity is by the Ministry of Higher Education, Malaysia. So this particular scholarship is called the Malaysian International Scholarship MIS. And this scholarship is by the Malaysian government to all international students who want to pursue their postgraduate studies in Malaysia. And the call for application for the academic year 2024-2025 opened on the 31st of May 2024. So it's currently open until the 30th of June 2024. And to submit your application for the MIS, you'll be clicking on this first link. And there's also a second scholarship, which is the Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program. MTCP, and this is also the link that you'll be using to submit the application. I'll be linking all of this in the description box. Let's go through the details of this scholarship. If you want to submit your application for the Malaysian International Scholarship, so this is the interface where you're going to be submitting and uploading your documents. So this is where you're going to be signing up. And to get more details regarding this particular scholarship, you simply click on the guidelines. And this is a guideline for the Malaysian International Scholarship MIS 2024. And this is open to all citizens eligible for this scholarship. We're going to see that in a bit. And it's intended for those who are ready to pursue full-time postgraduate studies, Masters or PhD in Malaysia, and also for those who are currently pursuing their full-time postgraduate scholarship. You still have the opportunity to apply for this scholarship if you have a minimum of 2 semesters remaining before the end of your study period. And these are the countries that are eligible for this scholarship. So if your country is on this list, so that means you're eligible for this scholarship. So you can take your time and go through this list. To apply for this particular scholarship, it says applicants will have to fill out and provide all the necessary information in the application form and have the compulsory document listed below scanned and saved in PDF format and uploaded to the online application system. So you'll be needing a certified copy of your passport. You also need a certified copy of your transcripts. You would also be needing a certified copy of your English proficiency test, 2 letters of recommendation, admission letter to the Malaysian University if you're already admitted. You need a curriculum vitae as well as a research proposal for those applying for Masters by Research and PhD applicants only. And the level of studies required for this scholarship is those pursuing their master's degree or those pursuing their PhD programs. And it has to be a full-time studies only. And these are the eligible universities that you can apply to enable you qualify for this scholarship. So you can take your time and look through the university and select a university of your choice. And the benefits to this scholarship includes tuition fees for the whole period of the sponsorship, and secondly, you'll be getting a monthly living allowance of 1,500 Malaysian ringgit per month. And these are the areas of studies that are covered in this scholarship. So you can apply to any of these listed areas of studies: education, arts and humanities, social sciences, journalism and information, business administration and law, natural sciences, mathematics and statistics, information and communication technology, engineering, manufacturing and construction, agriculture, forestry, fishery and veterinary medicine, health and welfare, not including medicine, nursing, and pharmacy. And below here, you can read the terms and conditions for this particular scholarship. And for further inquiries, you can contact them at this address listed here, or you can send them an email to this email address here. Furthermore, if you have more questions bothering you regarding this particular scholarship, you can feel free and click on the frequently asked questions. Here you can see a whole lot of questions that are covered in this place to enable you understand more about this particular scholarship. Otherwise, you can click on login to start your application. Likewise, if you're interested in the Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program, you can simply click on this link and then it will direct you to the application portal where you're going to see the MTCP Scholarship 2024, which is the Malaysian Technical Cooperation Program. And the MTCP scholarship is also sponsored by the Malaysian government and is dedicated to international students from developing countries to pursue their postgraduate studies in Malaysia. And the duration of the award is going to be between 24 to 36 months for your master's degree program. And the eligibility includes international students from MTCP recipient countries. And you shouldn't be more than 45 years old on the date of application. And this is a scholarship benefit. So this is a fully funded scholarship which is going to cover your tuition fees and other allowances worth 3,500 Malaysian ringgit per month. And to view the available courses for this scholarship, all you have to do is to simply click on these courses. Then it brings you all the courses that are eligible for this particular scholarship. So you can navigate on each of these links: economy and finance, education, environment, good governance, tourism industry, whatever that is your interest, navigate on it, and then you can see the start date and the end date of the respective programs. And to submit your application, you simply click on apply for scholarship here. And then it brings you to this page, the registration page for the MTCP scholarship. And here you're going to be filling out all the details. Everything in asterisk is very important, so you can take your time and fill this out. And the second interesting scholarship opportunity that is open right now for application is the MacCall Macbain Scholarship at the McGill University 2024-2025. So here it says applications are open for the 2025 cohorts of the MacCall Macbain Scholars at the McGill University. And this is a fully funded scholarship. It covers full tuition fees and fees for over 150 plus eligible masters and professional program at the McGill University in Canada. You would also be receiving a living stipend of 2,000 Canadian dollars per month during the academic terms. You would also have summer funding options and a relocation grant. There will be mentoring, advising, and coaching programs. There will also be a part of the leadership development program. So this is the official website of the MacCall Macbain Scholars portal. But basically, you can see the apply button here for you to send in your application. But when you scroll down, you can also see the scholarship overview once again. It says you'll be able to pursue a fully funded master's or second entry professional undergraduate program at McGill University, and the scholarship will be covering tuition and fees for the full normal duration of the master's program or professional program, a living stipend of 2,000 Canadian dollars per month, a one-time relocation grant for moving to Montreal, Canada. So when I click on the apply now, it brings me to this web page for their scholarship application. Here you can learn about the scholarship program, so you can click on this link. It will direct you straight to the scholarship programs that are eligible for this particular scholarship. You would also see the eligible degrees here, the criteria, and as well as their deadlines. Here you can log in if you're a returning user, or if you're a first-time user, then you simply click here to create an account. So let's click on the scholarship program to see more details. So these are the eligible programs for this particular scholarship. Here it mentions you can apply for the scholarship if you are planning to apply for fall 2025 admission to a full-time master's or second entry professional undergraduate program at the McGill University. The program must consist of 45 credits or more and take place primarily on McGill's downtown or McDonald's campuses. And these are the master's programs, so a whole lot of programs are covered here. You can take your time and explore this by clicking on Explore the McGill Master's Program, or if you're interested in the second entry professional undergraduate degree, you can click on them to also explore that. And these are the application deadlines for the 2025 admission. And as an international student, you have until August 21st, 2024 to send in your applications. And these are the application timelines. So you can take your time and go through this and submit your application right now by clicking on Apply Now. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.